Hey guys, it's Claire. Welcome back. Now, before I start today's video, I just want to give a big thanks to everyone who subscribed to my channel. I can't believe that we've already gotten over 1,000 subscribers in this little time. So I made this short not too long ago where I tried to draw a little bit more realistic, and I did this trend that I've seen people doing, and this video totally took off. Everyone seemed to love it, and this video got me so many subscribers. I cannot believe that we got to 1,000 subscribers this fast. Thank you guys so much, and let's get back to the video. So when I was reading through my comments, I saw a couple of you guys asked if I could do a tutorial video. I thought that was a really good idea, so today I am going to teach you guys how I draw an anime cat girl. It's not going to be the same exact drawing that I did for that video, but I'm going to show you the basics on how I start drawing and the finishing product. So let's get started. So I have my sketchbook and my pencil, and we are ready to start drawing. So the first step is what you're going to do is draw a circle. Whenever I draw a person, the first step is always to draw a circle. This is going to show where the head of your person is. After you draw your circle, you're going to start doing the chin. When I do the chin, I start out pretty pointy, but then afterwards I smooth it out. You don't have to make your chin round. You can make it pointy if you want, but that is up to you. Now I'm going to be drawing in the neck real quick. And a little tip is when you draw your head, you need to make sure that your head is always bigger than the chin, because in real life, your chin is not bigger than your skull. So I went in and made my chin a little bit rounded, and now I'm working on the shoulders. I'm not making this a full body picture, it's just going to stop down near her chest. Once we finish that, we're going to start on her hair. Now, hair is a little bit more difficult than the rest, but hair doesn't have to be perfect because hair is crazy and it goes everywhere. Remember when you draw this that anime people's hair is very sharp. The art style is not smooth, so make sure you have very sharp edges to your hair. So I'm making this character's hair a little bit messy. It's kind of just all over the place, but I do like the way it turned out. I made the hair higher than the head. That's something that you're going to want to do because your hair goes on top of your head. It's not directly like on it. So you're going to make sure that you want to put the hair higher than the head so that the hair doesn't look too flat. Now that the hair is pretty much done, I'm going to move on to the eyes. Now when you do eyes, you want to make sure that you don't mess it up and one eye is higher than the other. So that's why I make this little grid, which kind of helps where to put the eyes. So you have this gap where is going to be where you need to put the eye, so you don't want to make one eye higher and one eye lower. When I draw eyes, I draw all sorts of different styles of eyes. So today I'm doing a more basic one for you guys. The top of the eye is going to be thick because this is usually where your eyelashes would be. So once you do the top thick part, you're going to want to make an oval at the bottom, and this is going to be where the pupil is. So these eyes are not accurate to regular eyes. If you look at any picture of an anime person, the eyes usually aren't very accurate to actual eyes, but they're very big and expressive. After I finished that, I went on to do the other eye. When you draw eyes, you do not have to do one eye and then the other eye. If you have trouble making both eyes look the same, sometimes it would be best to go back and forth of doing the eye, like do the top part of the eye and then go and do the top part of the eye for the other side and kind of go back and forth with that, and that should make the eyes more even. I didn't do that because I already had the grid and I thought it would be okay. After finishing the eyes, I just went in to do the eyebrows. Eyebrows are just two curved lines. You can make them smaller or bigger. Some drawings have very small eyebrows and some don't have any eyebrows at all, so this part is optional. Now I'm starting on drawing the ears. The ears are really simple and I added a little bit of hair inside of them. Then I did a simple mouth. For the mouth, I just did like a cute little kitty mouth. Now I am going in and doing the outfit. For the outfit, I decided to give her a hoodie because I thought that would really match her and it would look pretty good. So I did that and I drew in the drawstrings. Now I'm going in outlining. I'm going to speed this up for you guys and I'll see you afterwards. Now I'm going to be going in and coloring in my drawing. You guys can pick whatever colors you want for your drawing. While I'm finishing up this drawing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever new videos release. And it's finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye!